What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we're going to go over 100 common phrases in English. But before that, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. How are you? How are you? How's it going? How's it going? What's up? What's up? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Long time no see. Long time no see. Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. What do you mean? What do you mean? I don't get it. I don't get it. That makes sense. That makes sense. I have no idea. I have no idea. It depends. It depends. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me check. Let me check. I think so. I think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Sounds good. Sounds good. I agree. I agree. I don't agree. I don't agree. Exactly. Exactly. That's true. That's true. That's not true. That's not true. You're right. You're right. You're wrong. You're wrong. I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Can you help me? Can you help me? Could you explain that? Could you explain that? What does that mean? What does that mean? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? What should I do? What should I do? What's going on? What's going on? What happened? What happened? What's the problem? What's the problem? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm free. I'm free. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. I'm running late. I'm running late. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. That's crazy. That's crazy. No way. No way. Are you serious? Are you serious? That's awesome. That's awesome. That sucks. That sucks. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. That's too bad. That's too bad. That's great news. That's great news. What are you doing later? What are you doing later? Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Do you want to hang out? Do you want to hang out? Let me know. Let me know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. See you then. See you then. What time should we meet? What time should we meet? Where should we go? Where should we go? I'll be there. I'll be there. Don't be late. Don't be late. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. No problem. My pleasure. My pleasure. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. I apologize. I apologize. I have to go. I have to go. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. Catch up soon. Catch up soon. Have a good one. Have a good one. Drive safe. Drive safe. Stay in touch. Stay in touch. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. See you next time. See you next time. Take it easy. Take it easy. Have a great night. Have a great night. What do you think? What do you think? That works for me. That works for me. It's up to you. It's up to you. Let's see. Let's see. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That's all I need. That's all I need. Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Alright guys, that was 100 common phrases in English. If you like this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.